Yes, good morning students. Welcome in YouTube channel. Class 11 subject mathematics chapter 3 trigonometric function. First point is important points, relation between degree and radian. Since we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree, so 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree, or 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Another formula, a relation between where L is the length of arc and R with the radius of circle and theta with the angle at center of circle. So L is equal to R into theta. Or second formula, if we find radius, so R is equal to L upon theta. And third formula, if we find theta, then theta is equal to L upon R. Where one important point should be keep in mind, theta angle should be in radian. ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. Next point is definition of radian. What is radian? If length of arc of 1 unit of a circle of radius 1 unit centimeter or meter, then angle at center of circle is called 1 radian. It means if length of arc L AB is 1 unit, either centimeter or meter, and radius of circle is also 1 unit, then angle subtended at the center of circle is equal to 1 unit. Next, the small scale of angle is minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute, it is the sign of minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So first example is convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian. So first we change 40 degree 20 minutes in complete in angle in degree. So 40 degree plus 20 upon 60, 20 minutes convert in degree. So it divide by 60, since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Then if we convert minute into degree, so we divide by 60. That is 40 plus 1 upon 3. So it becomes 121 upon 3 degree. For convert it into radian, multiply by pi upon 180. Since 1 radian is equal to 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So multiply it by pi upon 180. So it becomes 121 pi upon 440, 540 radian. Second example is convert 6 radian into degree. Given in question, convert 6 radian into degree. But keep in mind always, if the angle is not complete in degree, so if then we convert the angle in degree minutes seconds. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. Then 6 radian is equal to, therefore 6 radian is equal to 6 into 180 upon pi. Put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. So it becomes 3780 upon 11 degree. Divide it by 11. So 343 is complete degree and 7 upon 11 is fractional part. So fractional part convert into minute. Then it multiply by 60, then it becomes in minutes. So (343 plus 420 upon 11 minute divided by 11), so it becomes 38 in minute and 2 upon 11 fraction. Again the fraction 2 upon 11 convert in seconds, so it multiply by 60, since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It is the sign of second, double dash is the sign of second, single dash is the sign of minute. So 343 degree 38 minute and 2 upon 11 into 60 becomes 10.9 second approximate. So if you have to convert radian into degree, then answer is not in perfect, and answer is not in perfect degree, then you should change in degree minute and second. ये ध्यान रखना हमेशा. Example 3, a angle, find the radius of circle. we have to find r, where theta is equal to 60 degree, the which is central angle is 60 degree, intercept and length of arc is 37.4 centimeter. L is equal to 37.4, which is length of arc. You have to find theta. So theta is equal to, since L is equal to r into theta, so r is equal to L upon theta. But first we convert the angle in radian. So multiply by 5 upon 180, that becomes 5 upon 3 radian. So by the formula L 37.4 upon pi upon 3, put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. So it becomes r 37.4 into 3 into 7 upon 22, which you can do. Example 4. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. Take length of minute hand as radius of circle. Length of minute hand, either length of hour hand is given, then consider as radius of circle. So r is equal to 1.5 centimeter. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? ये कह रहा है इसका टिप जो है मिनट एंड का 40 मिनट में कितना लेंथ ऑफ आर्क मूव करेगा. So 40 minutes is the time, since we know that in 60 minute hand complete one revolution. मिनट हैंड 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट 360 का एंगल मूव कर जाती है. 60 मिनट एंगल सबटेंड एट द सेंटर इज 360 डिग्री. सो इन 1 मिनट 360 अपॉन 60, दैट इज 6 डिग्री. सो इन 40 मिनट it becomes 40 into 6, so it is equal to 240 degree. Convert it into radian, so multiplied by pi upon 180, so that becomes 4 pi upon 3 radian. And put the formula L is equal to r into theta, 1.5 into 4 pi upon 3, 0.5 into 4 into 3.14. Since value of pi is given 3.14, so put the value of pi 3.14, then it becomes 6.28 centimeter. Next question. Example 5. If the arc of same length in two circles, same length of arc, so let L1 is equal to L and L2 is equal to L, same length of arc is given, and theta subtend angles 65 degree and 110 degree. So convert in radian, 65 into pi upon 180 and 110 into pi upon 180, these are in radian. At the center, find the ratio of their radii. So r1 is equal to L1 upon theta 1. Since formula is L is equal to r into theta, so r1 is equal to L1 upon theta 1 and r2 is equal to L2 upon theta 2. Then r1 upon r2 is L upon theta 1 upon L upon theta 2 करेंगे हम. r1 upon r2, L1 upon theta 1 upon L2 upon theta 2. Then L1 upon theta 1, put the value of L1, that is L upon theta 1 into reciprocal of this theta 2 upon L. Cancel L, so it becomes theta 2 upon theta 1. Put the value of theta 1 and theta 2. Then r1 ratio r2 is 22 ratio 13. Next exercise 3.1 question. First, find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. डिग्री में हमें वैल्यू दी हुई है, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन रेडियन. सो वी डिस्कस सेकंड पार्ट. -47 डिग्री 30 मिनट. कीप माइनस साइन इन माइंड. 47 प्लस 30, फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट इन होल इन डिग्री. सो 30 अपॉन 60, सिंस 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So minute convert in degree, then we divide by 60. So that is 47 plus 1 upon 2, that is 94 plus 1 upon 2, that is 95 upon 2 degree. Convert in radian, multiply it by pi upon 180. Since 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So divided by 5, 19 pi upon 72 radian. So all parts are same. You can do part first, third and fourth. Question number 2.